In order for you to scale your business, you can't just rely on organic posts or Facebook ads alone. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs and business owners. Due to the algorithm and orientation from Facebook, organic reach tends to be lower on Facebook page. That means our voices will be less likely heard though they have been placed in the same context. As a result, we are kind of forced to spend more on paid advertising. In other words, Facebook wants us to pay to play. Keep on watching to find out how to improve the organic reach on your Facebook page. First, Facebook Live. Facebook Live is a way to broadly reach out to your followers. Every time you go on live, your followers shall receive a push notification immediately. Live streaming allows you to be completely transparent with your audience who see your business as it is, without misleading mindset or faulty judgment, because you can't edit a live stream. Since users are more engaged with live video, Facebook considers it as a meaningful interaction, hence boosting your availability in newsfeed significantly. Here are some of the examples of ways you can use a live video. You can broadcast a business event, share the behind-the-scenes footage, demonstrate how a product works, hold a Q&A section, ask your audience for feedback, ask about a product or service, or something I love doing is to share knowledge on my niche. That way, I can kind of pre-close my audiences before they check my sales page or attend my webinar. Facebook marketing and doing Facebook Live is something I coach in depth in my program called Passionpreneur Academy. In PPA, we are going to work together to bring you from a total beginner all the way to phase 7. We have 7 phases in total designed to help you to build a foundation on social media and help you to get leads into your business. If you would love to make a difference in your life and learn more, then click the link in my comment section box down below to join my free 90-minute webinar. The idea behind running a live video is to establish a sense of community. It's certainly worth experimenting with to improve your organic reach in the long run. Next, post when your audience is most engaged. Though you might have brilliant ideas and crafted perfect content, it wouldn't make sense if you publish your post at 3 a.m. in the morning, right? Do you agree with me on this? It's very important to know where the majority of your audiences are located. For me, I go global, but the majority of my audiences are still located in Malaysia. So I must fit the Malaysia timing. Otherwise, my posts will quickly get lost in the shuffle of newsfeed content while my audience was still asleep. Same goes to you. Luckily for you to remove all the guesswork, we are free to determine when they are up to it by using the insight feature as demonstrated here. Once you have identified when your audiences are most active, schedule your posts to publish at those times to increase your reach and opportunity for engagement. Facebook algorithm outside this time will note that the engagement on your post and subsequently prioritize it to your audience feeds. The third way is to purposely reuse successful content. If you realize there are a few posts that perform well, then I recommend them to keep them in your arsenal. Then, after a while, repost them. If your audiences enjoy the post the first time, they will likely to enjoy it again as long as your posts don't go against age manner or are even outdated. Even posts that were not far successful still can be repurposed by making slight amendments such as rewording the text or changing the image to see if a post performs better the second time round. You may be surprised at what a minor change can do. A content that I repurposed was how to choose the best mentor. I did this content in the form of a live stream and it was a good content that my audiences loved. I then repurposed it again for a few months later and my audiences are still loving it. You have to understand something. New people will always follow your page all the time. They might have not seen your previous content, so if it's a good content in the past, it will remain as a good content in the future. The other way to increase organic reach is to use a balance of organic posts and ads. While it is certainly important, you shouldn't rely on organic search alone, but use a balance of both organic content and Facebook ads to maximize the outcome. You need both. Facebook ads offer valuable targeting and ads options that not only can improve the global reach but also generate conversions and boost your business. Combining Facebook ads and organic posts are the best way to reach out to any audience over the Facebook platform. Moving on to the fifth way, which is to share only high quality images and videos. Cheap stock photos are not going to perform well, neither are low resolution or corny videos. They certainly won't improve your organic reach. If you expect otherwise, take your time and effort to make sure they are high quality and visually pleasant. Think about the type of visuals that would make you stop scrolling through your feed and pick your interest. These kind of wow moments always work as the publisher get your attention quickly. Likewise, you don't want something that will blend in with other content and leave nothing in your audience's minds after glancing at your post. This is when your creativity and humorousness play out, despite whichever your specialty or industry is. I truly hope that this video has been helpful. I do a lot more content about social media marketing strategy, so be sure to check out these two videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!